screen.
Good morning, guys.
Ugaliin din daw na laban niya ang kamay at iwasan na ang mga ito ay sobrang mapagod.
6:30 a.m. and I'm on my way to Baguio.
Hello friends! Welcome to Camiseta Hotel in Baguio. So now we're here finally and now I'm inside my room. Okay, I'm going to give you a turn of how the room looks like. It's so chic, Victorian style yung theme ng mga rooms and the whole hotel. So super pa-girly-girly stuff. So, this is the room. Ang gaganda ng mga mirrors. In all fairness to the mirror on the wall. At ang mga chandeliers. Okay, this is the shower room, toilet, and those are the beds. This room is good for 2 people, but I'm only one here today. Later, I'm going to make kwento about what happened to my kasama, supposedly kasama here. And this is our view. Baka matakot ako dito mamaya I just finished having lunch. I had the buffet lunch at the Vanilla Cafe. Later, in a while, we are going to go outside to go around Baguio. Oh my gosh, guys! I have a very good news. Okay, so pagbaba ko dito, pagpunta namin dito sa room, sobrang hina ng internet. As in, walang internet. So, I called the front desk, and then I asked bakit walang internet. And then, they will check down. Tapos, tumawag sila. Tapos, sabi nila that they're going to upgrade my room. Yes, too sweet! My first time ever to be upgraded in a suite room in any hotel. Huh? This is so great talaga. Grabe ang eye bags ko. While waiting for the kuya na maghahatid sa atin dun sa kabilang room, kwento ko na lang muna what happened to my kasama who's supposed to come here with me. Ayun, yung friend ko kasi na dapat kasama ko dito, biglang may emergency that she has to attend to. That's why. Hindi niya pwedeng hindi puntahan. So ako naman, I was thinking, tutuloy pa ba ako? Or i-cancel ko na lang din. Kaso lang ang tagal ko ng plano to. And sabi ko, baka masaya din namang mag-solo travel. So why not give it a try? Again, I already tried solo travel in Bangkok. But hindi ako masyadong nasiyahan. I think solo travel is not for me, but this time I have no choice but to do it on my own. So now guys, we are already in the suite room and this is the Petra room. That's the name of the room. Sa baba yung kanina was Alicia and then this one is Petra. So I'll give you a tour of the whole Petra room. This is the front door. And then going here is the side table. And these are the beds. Yung kanina na Alicia is medyo parang princess. Now, this one naman, the Petra is para siyang pang king. Pang king or pang queen. Okay. And then, ayan, mas mataas yung ceiling nito. And as usual, ang kanilang mga chandeliers. Chandelier. Okay, and then let's go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. There is the shower room. Yan, mas malaki yung banyo dito. At guys, take note, ang kanilang shampoo, soap, and lotion are L'Occitane. Social naman. Then, this is the view from one of the windows. Another view from the other window. I think they are constructing this one. Baka ito yung nasira noong bagyo. Kasi I think may mga iba-ibang nakalagay dito dati eh. I saw from the videos and pictures. There are parang mga chairs and everything here. But now, they're not here. Ayun, ang mga pine trees sa baba. So, ayun, kamusta naman? Mag-isa lang ako dito. Ano ba? Anyways, I will make gala later. And let's see kung saan tayo makakapunta.
Yun ang may kakasal doon.
Ayun! Nag-shoot sila.
Sila doon. May kinasal yan.
Ang ganda naman here. Pag talaga malamig ang lugar, maganda talaga. Ano po? Our first stop is at Camp John Hay. Ito na po ba ang Camp John Hay?
Mga bilihan lang yan.
Mga bilihan. Pasalubong. Ay, pwede akong mabili na dito. Ayan. Manor House at Camp John Hay. Lemonette.
Kay Simpson.
Kay Chavit Singson naman ito. Ayan, mga nagpipiknik sila, ano po. Pang pamilya po talaga dito sa Baguio, eh, no? Pang family. Pag mag-isa ka lang talaga, nakakalungkot.
Pinita sa strawberry.
Opo, gusto po sana pumunta ng strawberry farm. Kaso lang, sabi nung isang taxi driver sa Manila na nasakyan ko dati, parang nagkasira daw po yung mga strawberry nung bagyo.
Nabae. Kaya kakaunti lang muna tumatubok pa rin.
Sabi niya pa, baka daw hindi naman worth it pumunta.
Kan yung strawberry, nabaha.
Alin po ang SM?
Yan.
Sky Ranch po to, diba?
Ito. Yan, bagong tayo yan eh.
Ito, this one po?
Yan.
Yung parang may mga rides?
Ngayon lang magbubukas pa yan.
Hindi pa siya open?
Hindi pa open.
Oy. Mga pambata.
Mga
December.
November 8, ma'am.
Tamang-tama yan sa Pasko, no? Call, daming tao dyan. Tapos masakay na, oo. Okay, that's Sky Ranch. Magbubukas sa November 8 po? November 8.
November 8.
For kids, mga rides. I'm here now in Good Place Restaurant here hindi makaget over si Uncle Taxi Driver na wala akong kasamang maggala dito sa Baguio. Sabi niya sasamahan niya daw sana ako. But then, hindi siya pwede kasi nagda-drive pa siya. Nakakayang morning guys! It's another day here in Baguio. So, ang agenda natin today is later in a while, we're gonna check out the buffet breakfast sa baba. Tapos noon, ang plano ko is I'll just stay here in the hotel at I will just do the things that I need to do, the things that I need to finish, like I'll finish editing all the videos that I was able to film. And it's also a great place to do reflection, to do quiet time. And I will be able to read the books and the new Bible that I was able to buy from OMF. At masarap din talagang matulog. Masarap maghabol ng tulog. Kasi grabe na talaga ang puyat ko the past few days. So, I think those are just the things. It's gonna be a relaxed day today. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for being with me on this trip to Baguio. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so that you'll be updated when I upload a new video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. I love you all.